there's plenty of places to start, but I think you should start with your existing customers, given that they are, already through the door, as it were, and have some sort of relationship with the bank. Creating that stickiness of the relationship is imperative, right? And so how can you do that? First of all, you've got to drive everything that's required to retain the customer and the current customer's book of business, whether it be they hold deposit accounts with you, whether they process payments or cash management functions through your organization's financial services offerings, but really kind of increasing that stickiness is imperative. And then you kind of dovetail to opportunities to really grow share of wallet, right? And what do we mean by share of wallet? Well, in the consumer space, can you go from DDA accounts to loans to credit cards? In the commercial banking space, that is, how can you go from having a commercial company leverage you for, let's say, merchant payment services, and then taking them through a set of journeys that allows them to leverage you effectively for all of their banking needs, for their deposits, for their salary, for their cash management functions, for their accounts receivable functions, perhaps even their commercial credit cards and commercial lending needs. So when we say increasing greater share of wallet in the commercial banking space, we're really looking at opportunities to go from one unique relationship that you have with a commercial entity to offering the broad products that you offer across all of your commercial banking offering. And then it's really about ensuring that you can instill that trust and confidence in the brand, right? So everybody's got brand and marketing around what they offer. Banks are typically referred to as the safest of institutions, the safest of enterprises, but we've just seen, a handful of banks that have been around for more than 100 years, in some cases, disappear or be acquired because of the run-on banks. So really delivering on that brand promise is imperative. Ensuring that you can pivot and with agility move forward some of the transformation efforts that may have been underway that create better banking experiences for your customers, whether they be corporates, commercial, or retail customers. And all of these priorities really rely on a strong degree of focus around CX, customer experience, deepening of relationships, and really knowing your customer. And I know the old adage of KYC and knowing your customer is an overused term in the industry, but knowing your customer will become very, very important as you traverse different channels, as you traverse different products and segments of the bank that you can offer out to those customers. So those, in my opinion, are probably the top priorities for financial institutions right now.